The Poetic Neon MagPro case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra proves that you don't have to sacrifice style for protection. This dual-layer case combines flexible TPE and hard polycarbonate to create a defensive shield that's been tested to military drop standards, the same protection trusted by law enforcement agencies. While it's not quite as tank-like as the OtterBox Defender, it offers more than enough durability for most users. What sets this case apart is its clever magnetic ring stand. Unlike traditional pop sockets that can make your phone awkward to pocket, this built-in ring pops out smoothly when needed for either vertical or horizontal viewing. Better yet, it's powered by N52 magnets, making it compatible with magnetic car mounts and most wireless chargers. The magnetic strength is impressive. Your phone stays firmly in place even on bumpy roads. The case's protective features are well thought out, with reinforced corners and raised lips around both the screen and camera array. Despite this comprehensive protection, it maintains a relatively slim profile compared to other rugged cases, striking a nice balance between protection and pocketability. However, the case isn't perfect. While it's marketed as compatible with wireless charging, you might notice slightly slower charging speeds compared to thinner cases. Additionally, the magnetic ring mechanism, while sturdy, adds a bit of thickness to the center of the case. If you're looking for serious protection with practical utility features, the Poetic Neon MagPro makes a compelling case for your S25 Ultra. It's not the slimmest option available, but the combination of military-grade protection and that versatile magnetic ring stand makes it a solid choice for anyone who wants their case to do more than just protect.